Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most futuristic and compact camper vans you've ever seen. At first glance, it looks like a concept straight out of a sci-fi film, but make no mistake, this is a real machine designed to completely change the way we think about travel. With its sleek, egg-shaped body, three-wheel setup, and motorcycle-inspired front. Imagine walking into a luxury showroom where this futuristic beast is showcased under bright spotlights. The matte silver-gray finish reflects the light beautifully, its curves and edges giving it a perfect blend of retro and modern style. From the outside, you can already tell it's something special, but the real magic happens the moment the side door slides open. Inside, space is limited, but every inch is maximized for efficiency. The wooden cabinetry feels warm and inviting, a sharp contrast to the high-tech exterior. You've got a compact sink, sleek countertops, and storage units that hide away seamlessly when not in use. Even in such a small layout, the design ensures you have everything you need, whether it's for a quick meal, storing supplies, or simply organizing your essentials for life on the move. And let's not forget about the seating. Two car-style leather seats are perfectly placed, giving you both comfort and functionality. These aren't just seats. They double as your dining chairs, your lounge space, and even your workspace. Right in front, you'll find a foldable table that can transform the interior in seconds. The lighting plays a huge role in creating atmosphere. During the day, those rounded panoramic windows let in streams of natural light, making the space feel airy and open. At night, soft LED strips built into the ceiling bring a warm and modern glow. But the real appeal of this camper isn't just its looks or clever design, it's the lifestyle it promises. Picture yourself pulling off the highway and parking in front of a mountain view, or finding a quiet lakeside spot and setting up camp instantly. And here's the kicker, it's not just a vehicle, it's a statement. It says you value innovation, design, and freedom. It tells people you're not afraid to live differently, to push boundaries, and to embrace a future where mobility meets comfort in ways we never thought possible. If you enjoyed exploring this futuristic camper with us, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our deep dives into unique and innovative vehicles. Drop a comment below and let us know. If you had this camper, where would you take it first? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.